high school, man. You're at a new level here. You have not earned teammate status yet.
Who the hell are you? Oh, Jake Bradford.
And until you do, you're nobody.
Excuse me. Yeah? Bye.
I'd like to introduce you to the new guys. 2 rules. No booze in this house. Number 2, no girls upstairs in those bedrooms.
I'm seriously worried about these new guys.
Oh! Play a good game, man.
We have a little tradition welcoming the new guys. Freshman batting practice! Welcome to the big time, boys.
Oh, my nuts! Look at what we have here. Hey, ladies. Party later tonight at the baseball houses.
You should be investing this energy elsewhere.
Lesbians.
I like the quiet guy in the backseat.
Oh, there's nothing here. Yeah, I can see how that could get threatening. New guy coming in, getting all the ladies. That was a joke. I got your joke right here.
Did he just call it a joke?
That's what he implied.
How did you know what room I was in?
I'm an investigative journalism major.
So I guess you know my name then.
Yes. As soon as you tell me. Starting to have an identity crisis. We danced at a disco, danced to Cotton Eye Joe and Kicker attire, and here we are, punks for a night.
You gotta embrace your inner strange, man. Just be weird. It's about finding out who you are. You gotta tune in, man. You guys wanna try a little telepathic stuff? Do it. Lock in. What am I thinking about? Baseball. Having a tail.
Cereal?
Just thinking about sharks. Sharks have tails. It's a good point. It's a good point. Wish I had a tail. Yeah. That'd be awesome. I'm pretty sure that is a new school record. Everybody